Hi, I'm back with a part 2 on the Trick Turbo hot pipes kit for the OBS style Chevy. As you can see, I've gotten the project up and running, put a few thousand miles on it, and I thought I'd share a couple of things. First off, the quality of the parts is decent. Not gonna say it's not. However, I do have some pet peeves. One of them, probably the largest one for me, is that after you get a turbo on, considering that you're using this piece here, which is that piece that offsets your turbo for AC, which is part of my plan, that your oil drain out of your turbo, which is right here, would run directly into your wastegate if not using a 45-degree fitting. So, I've made it work, but this is no SEMA build. My second gripe would be that the interior of this 45-degree offset build is quite small, significantly smaller than the manifold. I have a feeling that that is going to be my restriction in power. The downpipe fits fairly nicely. I'm not going to complain too much about it. However, the extension piece underneath hit my floor. I've already cut and welded that so it will get out of the way, but I was hesitant to spend the money, and having now spent the money again, it's a coin toss. It's up to you if those are issues that you'd be willing to put up with for the $2,000. Those are just my 2 cents. Other than that, I've had no cracking. The slip joint on the crossover tube, that did leak a little bit. But a little bit of exhaust gasket compound, and that was good to go. The coloring is nice after it heats up, I'll give it that.